Yeah, I feel better right now. So that's why tonight I go live again. And thanks everyone come here. Please join my family. Thank you so much. Everyone come here. No need any gift. Just tap screen. It's enough. In Germany, it's very today. These 2 days is raining. So when the weather raining, it's very cold outside. So that's why I run away. I'm just finished the dinner early and come back to my hotel. The temperature is like now it's like 1, like 2. It's very cold outside. It's not really cold actually. It's 8 now. But it's raining. Yeah, I think tomorrow, Monday, I think the weather will be good. I will go outside to visit this city in tomorrow. Tonight is very cold because it's raining. My driver also told me, "Hi, why you come back to hotel early?" So, brother, what I can do because outside is raining.